guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm super excited because it's the first time I'm going to be shooting a haul video, and it's going to be a jewelry haul. I am absolutely obsessed with oxidized jewelry, and it's going to be very budget friendly. So keep on watching, and I'll keep mentioning the prices, and we'll also put in the links in my description box. Do consider subscribing to my channel, hit the like button under my video, and do share it with friends and family, and I hope this video helps you. So the website that I shop from is called everstylish.com, and this is not a sponsored video. It's just a website that I have been stumbling upon for a very long time now. I think the pricing was just seeming unrealistic because a lot of the designs were really pretty, and I couldn't wrap my head around how something can cost like 70 bucks, 100 bucks, 120 bucks, going up to say about 300, 400 rupees. So anyway, at this point of time I finally gave it a shot, and I cannot wait to share with you guys what all I bought. Like, I bought around 13 to 14 jewelry items, and let's get started. So the very first pair of earrings are these really pretty silver earrings. I don't know whether you can see them. They have this oxidized look, and I really like how they are in semicircle. So I'll just put them on and show you what it looks like. It is quite a talent to be shooting a video and putting jewelry on. Something that's so easy as just putting earrings on becomes rocket science when the camera's on. So just a second. These ones were priced at just rupees 98. Like, I have actually not even just about spotted that kind of a pricing for such designs at like local markets like Sarojini Nagar or Colaba Causeway Market in Bombay. We really like the design, and it's so versatile. It can be worn with even like a white shirt, I think, and an Indo-Western sort of an outfit, or then of course like with Indian wear it would look really pretty. But I was getting a bit dicey about the quality of the product when I was placing the order. But I've had mixed feelings about all the items. So some of them, actually, like this one, I can't really spot any problem with it as such. It's not low on quality, and of course I don't know what this is called. These are probably like whatever metal, but yeah, otherwise I'm really happy with the quality, and मैं आगे आपको बता दूँगी whichever ones that I was not happy with. Some of them are slightly dicey. Some of them came in with certain parts broken, but then I got them exchanged and they sent it across like pretty quickly, like within 2 to 3 days. So let's move on to the next piece now. Next piece are these again, these oxidized studs. I don't know whether the camera is focusing on it, but these are the kind of earrings that I keep on buying on repeat. Like, I already have 3-4 pairs that pretty much look this way, that are circles and are silver and have this intricate sort of work on it. But I don't know, it's just one of those things that I just want to purchase every time I see. So let's try these on. Okay, we're struggling again. These are the kind of earrings that are so versatile and so classic that you can really wear them to work if you're just even on a regular day. And I like to go slightly chunky in terms of my earrings, more than neck pieces, or earrings and rings are my thing. So whenever I'm mostly wear Indian, so Whenever I'm wearing a sari or then a kurta or sometimes even shirts and palazzos or something or pants, I love to really wear this kind of jewelry, and I think it really suits me. Like it goes with my vibe of like I really like a lot of heavy eye kajal makeup and this kind of jewelry. So I think I'm really happy with this one too. A part of it, the very tiny part of it, is broken from one of these, but that's something I'm okay with. So these ones were priced at 148 rupees, and I also bought a ring that goes with this, and I cannot find it right now. So I'll try and like put in a clip later on in the video. So let's move on to the next piece. The third piece is something chunkier. It's a chand bali or whatever, this jhumka kind of a thing, and that's how it looks. It's got this silver metal work going on, along with this these stones which look like glass basically, and it's not very heavy, so I think it's going to be comfortable to wear. So this is how they look. Next pair, I had been seeing these kind of earrings on Instagram and in a lot of photo shoots, and I've wanted it for quite a long time, and I finally gotten it. Are these kind of chand balis. So it's basically got a stud over here, but it's in the form of a hoop or whatever, that kind of an ethnic thing, and these are pretty big and quite pretty. So this was the piece that I had received, and इसमें ये जो आप दो peacocks देखोगे, एक missing था. So I got back to them and I told them that the piece is broken, and they got it exchanged within like 3 days. So I was happy with that, and otherwise, like in terms of the quality, दूर से they are very pretty. There's no doubt. I absolutely love and am very excited about how I could really style them. But in terms of the quality, if you take a closer look, it's I don't know how long they last, and I'm gonna have to be careful with them, and just probably maintain them, keep them away from water, perfume, whatever else, and otherwise also, like, just if you do order from this website, my suggestion would be that immediately the moment the package comes, because they want you to let them know if there is an exchange within 3 days, I think. So make sure that you open up each piece and have a very careful look at if even one kona is broken or a stone is broken or whatever, and you don't want to keep it, don't delay it, because I think after 3 days, it's not like usually like websites have a 15-day or more policy, return policy. So this company does not do that, and I understand why, because the stuff is so reasonable. But yeah, just make sure that the pieces are in good condition. So let's try this one on now. I think they look really pretty. Like, let me know below which ones are your favorite. I love this empty hoop sort of a thing, and then all the intricate work going on over here, and it has a peacock over here. I don't know whether you can see, and then it has two peacocks over here. But yeah, like, I think I would suggest that if you get a piece, I mean if you order from them, just make sure that the dundee at the back isn't too short and it's not on the verge of breaking, or it's not really twisted, because one or two of the pieces did have that issue, and I got them returned and exchanged. But yeah, I really like how these are. The next item, I'm gonna place a non-oxidized silver item now, because it's not like I don't have more. I have more silver jewelry, but just for a change, I'm gonna share these ones, which are very different, very modern, and non-ethnic, and but also something that can go with Western as well as Indian outfits. And I absolutely love how simplistic and minimal they are. So I feel they would like really go with something like what I'm wearing right now, like this sort of a funky, fun sari. I was expecting them actually to be slightly smaller in size, but I kind of like this as well. Like, this is really pretty, and the finish is really neat. There's no doubt about that. I think it makes sense for me to tie my hair up with these dainty pieces, because otherwise you will not be able to see. But they're really pretty, and I think these were also pretty reasonable. This is the kind of piece I have never owned. I have never owned such a look or a piece like this, and I have one more, which I'll show you next, which is again the sort of piece I have never owned. And I was actually so apprehensive, because so many of the things were so reasonable that I was like, is bar to let me just go and try, even if it's slightly, the design is slightly out of my comfort zone. Let me give it a shot, let me be a little experimental with my styling, and I'm really glad I ordered these. The next pair, this is where I got slightly gutsy, and so here they are. They are butterflies, basically gold butterflies. It's a dull sort of a gold. It's somewhere between a gold and a champagne gold, and again, it's one of those pieces that would look really nice with Western, and I think I could style them with Indian. Again, the kind of sari I'm wearing right now is something slightly kitsch or poppy, like in terms of pop art, like, or a pop color, so that kind of a thing. And these are so cool. Like, this is, I am so happy that I purchased these. I mean, this is going so well with this. But yeah, I think I should also like, and I think whenever I wear these, I should probably keep my hair tied, so that the beauty of the design does not get hidden. I don't know whether I'm putting it right. Yeah, I am. Yeah, so that's how they look. I think they're so cool. I love them. These butterfly ones were for 147 rupees, I think. And I'll just keep also placing the price on the screen so that you can see, just in case I go wrong, and I'll just recheck with the website. But I think this is one of the best buys out of all of these. Like, I really like them, and super value for money. Like, even if I'm really glad that I took the risk, not risk, but whatever, because even if they had turned out to be something that, you know, sometimes the design looks really beautiful on the website, or even for that matter on another person, and somehow does not suit your face shape or just your persona or whatever, and it looks off. So in 147 rupees, even if I would have bought it and it wouldn't have looked very nice on me, I wouldn't have minded it a lot. I'm really glad I bought this one. So the next pair is one of the my favorite out of all that I have purchased, and it's chunky AF. Like it's beautiful. I've seen it on Instagram a lot of times, and it's this choker, this mirror work choker with these earrings. I'm not very fond of the design of the earrings, but they're totally usable. Like with certain outfits, they could really amp up the look. But in terms of the design, I'm like, I don't know, I have mixed feelings about it. So let me just try it on and show it to you. Also, I think with such a heavy piece, either I'm gonna find myself wearing just the choker or just the earrings. So I highly doubt I'm gonna go all out and wear the choker of this set along with the earrings. So okay, this piece is really beautiful. Like it has completely changed the look, and even with this outfit, or just while I just like before I had it on versus now, it's really added a lot to the look, and I really like that. I think it's like really suiting me, and again, it's the kind of thing I would love to wear with a shirt, like a white shirt and a long brocade lehenga or something, lehenga, skirt, whatever. Or then even with like a white chikankari kurta, or any sort of kurta, sari. It's I think I'm really happy with this piece. I love the way it's falling. It's not like jagged around the gala, because I have other chokers as well, and sometimes they don't really fall the nice and perfect and correct way. But the quality of this piece is really good, and I hope it stays that way. I hope pieces don't break off, and I'll of course do my best to maintain it. But overall, the quality of this piece is definitely good. I'm not speaking about the earrings, because again I did not like them as much, but this is really nice. Like at this price, even if I had gotten just the choker at this quality, I would have gone ahead and purchased it, just for the fact that this piece is so versatile. This is giving me such boho girl vibes. Like I don't know whether she has this piece and whether I've like seen her on Instagram wearing this, but it's just I'm beginning to kind of like the earrings. Like, and even though I was saying that I will not wear these with this, but right now I really love what's going on. Like the entire look is looking so nice. I don't know, like I don't know, I think I really like it. Like it's so bohemian, so ethnic, so almost like tribal ethnic. I really like it. Like with smoked eyes and nude lips, and pretty much any outfit. This is really taking the outfit to a whole new level. So this set was probably the most highest priced out of whatever I did purchase. This was priced at 348 rupees, which again is a steal. Like the fact that I was not expecting this quality, and at 348 rupees it can totally transform your outfit. I think it's a very very nice piece to purchase and maintain and keep, so that this kind of a look is then you're sorted with. I think it's really pretty. Okay, back to something that is non-ethnic, and I just bought these for, like, you know, whenever I have client meetings or something and I'm just wearing a shirt or a top or something, and I'm realizing that through the video I've just been coming closer and closer to the camera so that I can show you guys what this looks like. But these, like, these very basic, simple I think this is plastic and this is a gold circular design, and this was the one that was defective. When I received this one, both the gold colors were different. One was a matte and a dull gold, and the other one was a shimmery rose gold kind of a color. And so I returned this one and got it exchanged. So this is how this looks. Really like how this piece is also going with this sari. This sari is magic, like everything goes with it. But I really like how these are, and the quality is very neat, and I do not have any complaints with this piece that they've sent. But again, just make sure if you do purchase, check the back stopper, check the stick, whatever it's called, like, you get what I mean, right? So the next piece again is a choker, and it's a heavy-ish choker. I'm not very happy with the quality, but it's again a piece that I have at least seen on Instagram multiple times, and I wanted it, and I've got it now. Like it's this one. Like, so there's this mirror work going on here, and then there are these chains or strings, and it's this way. So okay, so I won't deny it does look really pretty, and adds quite a value to the outfit, but the quality of this specific piece isn't that great. And it came with these two earrings, which obviously there'll be two earrings, but it came with these earrings, which again have a defect, and because I kind of overlooked this, basically there are no ghungroos over here, if you can see. So it's really like very obvious because it's there on the other one and it's not there, it's missing. But I missed out on seeing this, and I don't know whether they're gonna take it back now or not. So this set is priced at 298 rupees, and I am okay happy with it because I was actually at 298 expecting, and especially since the previous choker was such good quality and slightly similar in terms of the price range, so I was expecting a slight cleanness of the design, and I mean, obviously, like, I can style this and I'll try and get an exchange from the brand, but otherwise it's a nice piece, and one can wear it like just the choker or just the earrings, and in that sense it's pretty versatile. I found the ring that I was telling you guys about right in the beginning. So it's very similar to the earrings that I showed you right in the beginning. It's this way. I really like the fact that the quality is really good and it's very intricate, and I really like it. I've wanted such a ring since a really long time, and I found one in like really good quality. So guys, so I have the last two pieces left, and they're both gold, they're not silver, and one of those are these hoops, these thickish hoops in gold, and I have not had such earrings, such hoops, even though like people wear them so often and they're available everywhere, but I just somehow never really, I don't know, like I just never wore them. So I was curious and I was like, I want to style them with a top and jeans or whatever. So I got my hands on these, and so yeah, let's try them on. The quality is really good. It's a gold, it's not like a rose gold, but it's the quality is pretty good. These hoops are priced at 132 rupees, which is pretty cool. Like, the quality for 132 rupees is quite premium, and even the fact that the stopper, I've had hoops in the past which I never ended up wearing because they were so difficult to shut from the back. But this one is very convenient in that sense, and I just finally have a pair of hoops, which is really nice. Okay, so the last piece, it doesn't go with what I'm wearing exactly, but nevertheless I can show it to you. It's actually the second last piece because I also got a toe ring, which I did not realize was a toe ring. I thought it's just a pretty ring that I can wear on my finger. Which I can, like, I can probably work around that, but I absolutely love it when someone wears a toe ring. But on my toes, like, I have podgy toes, so I don't think a toe ring suits me. But this is the golden chain that I've bought, and it has a globe, so can again be worn with absolutely anything, mostly western wear. It's the kind of, the thing that the sort of golden chain that you can pretty much wear on a day-to-day basis while going to work, or just absolutely while doing anything. Like, if you want to wear a top, or you want to wear a dress and you just want to add in like slight minimal gold accessories, maybe like just plain studs and this, and maybe like thin stacked up golden rings or something. I think in that sense this is a very pretty piece, and I don't know how long it's gonna last though, because I had purchased a few gold chains from multiple websites like Club Factory and Shein and all of that, but a lot of them they lost their luster and their color, even though I did not use perfume and I wore them indoors, so I'm not sweating while I'm wearing them. But I hope this one lasts longer, and it has a globe, which if you are a person who loves to travel or just likes the earth, then you can most definitely try it out. So this is the very last piece of the haul, and it's this. I don't know whether you can really see it. It's just got this arrow thing going on, and it was meant to be a toe ring, but I'm gonna use it on my fingers. So thank you guys for watching, and I really hope you enjoyed this haul, and let me know below if you are looking at more hauls. I'll do that if I can, and thank you so much. Do consider subscribing, do like the video if you liked it, do share it with friends, family, and do head over to my Instagram as well and give me a follow there. Thanks for watching. Bye.